IgerEnjoy, established in 2011, is located in Shangyu and is of more convenience in both transportation and environment. It covers an area over 5,000 square meters and has 100 employees. We are specialized in beach umbrella, garden umbrella, rain umbrella, advertising umbrella, and other outdoor leisure product with decades experience in the beach accessories industry. We run a professional team to focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company operation. In order to supply the best products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. And due to the rising overseas markets, we have obtained BSCI Factory Audit, TCCC Factory Audit, ISO 9001, and most of our products have got certificates of SGS, TUV. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have acquired a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.